This is a metal carabiner with knife. Two knives here. That I got on Deal Extreme for about $6. It's metal construction, except for this clip right here. It's ABS plastic. I'm thinking it's pretty solid. Feels pretty tough. And there's some 2 Chinese characters right here, which can be easily rubbed off if you don't like it. And it says, this engraving right here says HX Outdoors. There's a picture of a moose right there. It's a thumb stud for left-handed and right-handed, which is kind of hard to use. Mine is pretty sharp. This one is sharp right here. Second one came unsharpened. I was a little bit disappointed at first, but after playing with it for a little while, I did this, and immediately popped into my head, and I said, "Oh, what's that?" It's a scissors, and kind of happy that it turned out to be scissors instead of a dull knife that would have to sharpen. So serves its purpose, dual purpose knife and the scissors. Pretty cool. There's the front, there's the back. Size comparison to a regular battery. So on the side it has it for in the black colored. I got this one in olive green. They sent to me olive green one, which I don't mind. I like the color. So most likely you'll get olive green too if you do order from their website. Yeah, pretty cool carabiner.